What's going on, Coast Crew Network fans? This is Tom Young here at Kings Island. Today we're going to check up on the progress of Banshee. Take a quick little tour of the water park. And then hopefully get some behind the scenes footage that I think you guys will really like. Hang on tight and let's fly away. Alright guys, coming at you live from the top of the Eiffel Tower. Here's your first bird's eye view of some track and supports for Banshee. They're setting the pieces where they'll actually go, so like here's for the station, the supports, that's for the turnaround out of the station into the lift, the track anyway. I believe that's some brake run track since it's got some magnetic brakes in it. And there's some supports for the transfer area, I believe. Behind Slingshot, you got some track. I believe that's for the drop. I'm not 100% sure. There's what I'm excited about right there, the crane. That means this coaster is going to be going vertical here sooner rather than later. But got this guy right here moving some supports. I saw just before I turned this on. I'm not sure if you can see between the trees or not, but they're pouring some footers down the hill where the zero-G roll and the turn up into the brake run will be. Got some footers near flight decks turn around. One interesting thing about that, is on flight deck you actually go right over a footer for Banshee. So I'm thinking that's going to be for the right-hand turn up into the Heartline roll. But I think that's about it for right now. Yeah. We've got track, we've got supports, and we've got a crane, so check out the webcam, visit kingsisland.com/Banshee. See this thing go up. Alright guys, checking out Icecream Zone. I got this. It's called the Banshee Twist. And it's to help advertise for the world's longest inverted roller coaster. I'm not sure which flavors it is, but I'm going to try it out and tell you what I think. I just annihilated this ice cream, one, because it's kind of hot outside today, and two, it is really, really good. I would highly recommend it to anyone that's looking to buy ice cream in the park. In my opinion, it's better than Kings Island's famous blue ice cream. It is that good. I think it's like blueberry and wildberry, but I'm not quite sure, but it is really good. And again, I highly recommend it. Come into Action Zone and Icecream Zone to get it. And only $3.99, not a bad price for something this good. Alright, coming into Soak City. This is the last week of daily operation here at Kings Island. One thing you can do in Soak City is rent a cabana. Also enjoy one of two wave pools now. Here's Tidal Wave Bay. And then got some volleyball courts over here. Another cool thing you can do here at Soak City is surf with the help of Pipeline Paradise. This guy wiped out quick, but I've seen some people last quite a long time. And you can also check out Mondo Monsoon, known to some guests as the giant funnel or toilet bowl. Alright guys, I'm actually behind the scenes on a beast tour right now. There goes up the lift, going up there. I'm in the lift. But there's one coming back. Here's our tour guide, Sean.
is inside the car at all times.
On the final brake run on Beast, check out Wind Seeker and Vortex. Alright guys, I'm back from my tour of the Beast. Really cool stuff actually. I highly recommend it. But I got a message on my phone that said, hey, did you see the Banshee went vertical? I said, no. They said, please get some shots. So here's your shot. Some transfer supports going up. There's some brake run stuff right there. And then some transfer stuff. Looks like all the track and the other supports are where they were when I was up here earlier. Everything else looks to be at a standstill, but I'm surprised that they're working this late. That it's 6:45 about. Park closes in a little over an hour, and they're still working hard, putting together Kings Island's new coaster for 2014, Banshee. So thank you guys very much. Working hard, and we appreciate it. Cool stuff. Mythical Monster rises. Kings Island's almost come to a close, and I've decided I'll end on my guilty pleasure here, Backlot Stunt Coaster. As always, look us up on Facebook at facebook.com/coastercrew, YouTube channel Coaster Crew, and Monday nights in the Loop, 5:30 Eastern on coastercrew.net. Until next time, we will see you all on the Midway.